And, my brother, my sister, I see you. I know that feeling, that weight on your chest when you walk through those office doors. The knot in your stomach when the system freezes again. And that boss, with a mood that shifts like the desert sands. We've all been there. It's tough, no lie. But you see, you are not alone. We are warriors, molded in the fires of resilience. Remember where you come from. Remember the ancestors who fought battles far greater than this. Remember their strength, their unwavering spirit. That same fire burns within you. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. We have a saying back home, smooth seas never made a skilled sailor, and you, my friend, are destined for greatness. So let's find that strength together. Let's navigate these choppy waters side by side, because I know deep down you have what it takes to not just survive, but to thrive. It's a lot, isn't it? That pressure to perform, to deliver, to constantly prove your worth, especially when the odds feel stacked against you. The systems are slow, archaic even. Your colleagues, some, are more interested in competing than collaborating. And then there's the boss, a law unto himself. It's enough to make anyone want to throw their hands up and walk away. But you haven't. You're still here, still fighting. Why? Because you have something to prove? Maybe. But also because deep down, you know you're capable of more. You have dreams, aspirations. This job, this office, it's just a stepping stone on your journey. Remember, you are not defined by your environment. You are defined by your spirit, your drive, your unwavering commitment to your goals. So, how do we navigate this? How do we turn this challenge into an opportunity? First, breathe. You've already taken the first step, acknowledging the difficulties. That takes courage. Now let's strategize. Start by mastering your environment. Those slow systems, find workarounds, shortcuts. Become the go-to person for navigating those digital mazes, those uncooperative colleagues. Kill them with kindness. Offer help, build bridges. You'll be surprised how quickly walls crumble when met with genuine warmth. And the boss? The moody boss. Observe, adapt, and communicate. Understand their triggers, their preferences. Learn to speak their language. Remember, even the most challenging bosses respond to respect and results. Section 4. The power within. This is where your inner strength comes in. This is where you tap into that reservoir of resilience that runs deep within you. Remember, you come from a long line of survivors, of overcomers. You carry their strength in your blood, their wisdom in your heart. Don't be afraid to stand out, to offer innovative solutions, to voice your ideas with confidence. Your unique perspective is valuable, even if it's not always immediately recognized. Be patient, be persistent, and most importantly, be yourself. Remember, true power doesn't come from intimidation or manipulation. It comes from within. It comes from knowing your worth, staying true to your values, and never giving up on your dreams. Section 5. Rising above the storm. This is your journey, your story. And like any good story, there will be challenges and triumphs. There will be moments when you want to give up, when the weight of it all feels too heavy. But then, you'll remember your strength. You'll remember the ancestors who paved the way. You'll remember your dreams, and you'll rise. You'll rise above the negativity, the challenges, the doubts. You'll rise above the limitations others may try to impose on you. You'll rise because you are destined for greatness. This is your time to shine, to show the world what you're capable of, to create your own legacy. Section 6. A new dawn. Imagine this. You, walking into that office with your head held high. Not with arrogance, but with the quiet confidence of someone who knows their worth. You've mastered the systems, built bridges with colleagues, and even found a way to navigate the moods of your boss. You are a force to be reckoned with. And the best part? This is just the beginning. So go out there and claim your success. Embrace the challenges, learn from the setbacks, and never stop believing in yourself. The world is waiting for your brilliance. A new dawn is here.